Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am showing you a sofa cover which basically need one big enough sheet of cloth. I took a 15 feet long and 11 feet wide piece of cloth which is enough for my sofa. So I am spreading it on and arranging it the way I wanted it to look. So after tucking it in, I took a 90 inches long strip of cloth, leaving 12 inches long flaps at both ends, adding that from one handle to another at the front of the cover. And then I took another strip of cloth about 50 inches long and adding that under the handle of the cover, leaving 12 inches long flaps at both ends. So after adding this strip to the cover, I'll add a third strip at the back of the cover, which is again 50 inches long. And I will leave one side open with 12 inches long flap. So after attaching that to the cover, I will tie this to the side strip. And the side strip will be attached to the front strip. So this is how simple this cover is. The only thing you have to do, you have to measure your own sofa because every sofa is different. So my front strip is about 18 inches high from the floor and the side strips are 21 inches high from the floor. Same with the back strip. You need to measure your own sofa and decide where you have to attach it. So thanks for watching and please subscribe to stay connected.